checked on the bench outside. I was like, he must have left my GoPro on the bench. I'm like, nope, it's not there.
Nah, I didn't bring it in. I didn't bring it back outside. It's in the house. I'll bring it back out though. My bad.
Nah, that's cool.
Nah, cause you know what I'm saying. Everybody be a weekday and you go for a ride. You like, damn, I got my GoPro.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I'm gonna put some music on. I don't give a fuck.
All I gotta do is tap it and it connects to your shit. All I gotta do is tap it.
Preparing headset.
Let me turn my shit on. We might have to do it again. Connect again. Yo. Girl, you too big for that bike. Yo. Those are scooters, yo. Those are scooters that look like motorcycles.
Oh, brother, got my connected too.
Huh?
Yeah, he's connected to me. What about you? Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Yo, how about you? Yo, you know what you need to do that you don't ever do? Buckle your helmet. Yo, we've been like an hour. We're in an hour into a ride, yo. I'm like, yo, yeah, almost not buckled. Oh, fuck!
Yo, how the fuck do you tighten this shit, yo?
What do you mean?
Tighten this shit, yo.
Let me see.
Tighten it closer to my helmet moves. I hate that shit.
Unbuckle it. Unbuckle it.
Oh, see, that's that quick strap shit. Yeah, that's why it's loose.
Well, you gotta adjust it. That's why.
I gotta adjust it, though.
Yeah, ours we tighten it as we put it on it. We tighten it.
Oh, okay. My Predator one's like the one you have. What was that chick saying when she was riding by? I don't know.
She was just hiding out in there. She was giving us.
She was like, I want one of those. I want one of those. Oh, well, here she goes again, right here.
She like that can help my that can hold my weight. Try that. Try that. Try that. Try that. Tighter, tighter.
Oh, look at this shit.
I can go tighter. I didn't want to put it too tight. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Manny said they all look alike. They must be family.
I gotta make you gas. Y'all fucking crazy.
Try that.
Fast out riding, we know why.
More?
Better than before, yeah.
My glove or your glove? You all right? Hand motherfucking warmers. No, they already got them out the pack. That's just an empty package.
Thank you. Yep, thank you.
What'd he say?
He said be safe. He said y'all look fine.
We are fire, nigga. We ready? Oh shit, I ain't gotta put my key on this bitch.
You asking if we ready?
I know, right?
You ain't even ready.
I'm like, damn, I'll never take my key off my bike, that's why. I got my hand warmers in, I'm feeling good.
Now I'm talking shit, I'm gonna unlock my e-brake.
There you go, Smitty. That's wifey right there. Clean her. She probably cleaned up real good. I think she got all her teeth too.
where's the gas station at, yo?
I don't know. We'll see one. We'll find one eventually.
I'm gonna turn around. We gotta turn around.
Why? Why?
Where you going?
Then why are you going this way? I know. You know her? Yeah. He said no, but I'm trying to. I know. One day. You need gas?
I got one more left. 29 miles.
Excuse me, is there a gas station around here? Straight?
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Take a right. So when my music's gonna play, so I got my music on my helmet, so when it plays, and then when you guys talk, it turns my music off. This dude's exhaust is so loud, it continues thinks he's talking, so it doesn't let my music play.
My helmet feels over here.
Here, both of us just rattling, huh?
All I hear is fucking
Are you listening?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, my shit is not even full. It says it's full, but it's not. They be lying. Gas is too expensive over here. I'm waiting. Yo, I paid at the last place we wanted last time. It was 370 something. Yo. I don't care what they're looking at. I wave to them. What the fuck? What? Minding our business. What are you doing? Alright. Fuck. Oh. I thought you said, what you guys doing?
You say you want to start something? I love you.
You love him? Guys having a good day? Good day today? Yeah. See how I change that up real quick? Like, you guys having a good day? I'm going. They gotta catch me. Bring the chopper out. Bring the chopper out. Huh? He thinks he can get me, but I'm too. Oh, wait, boy. Fast. I hit 220 in like 10 seconds. My shit hits 200 miles per hour in fucking 2.3 seconds. That is 0 to 60 in 0.3 seconds, bro. I know, right? Or Smitty got a 20 on his shit too. They both got 20s on their plates. Yeah, they both got 20s.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah. You back, right? You back? Yo, hold up. Buckle your helmet first. It's gonna be that one time you forget to buckle your helmet, you get in an accident, helmet's gonna fly off, you gotta smack your head on the ground, you're gonna be dead.
Yeah.
Just because you didn't buckle your helmet. Like, damn, I'm paralyzed from the waist down, but now I'm dead. Yeah, live life to the fullest, yo, you know what I'm saying? Live life for today, forget tomorrow, right? Flintstone stop. It's not working. I try it like this, sweet. Flintstone stop. I try to stop like the Flintstones, but that shit wasn't working.
You burn out your fuse, right?
Oh yeah. Oh fuck.
You done recording for the day?
No, I'm still recording. You never know. Okie dokie, Smokey. My knees are getting cold. Got you, got you.
Y'all not cold?
A little bit. I should have worn my jacket. You cold?
Hell yeah!
Little bitch. Your fingers? I got the hand warmers in here, so my hands is cold. I'm good. My knees is getting a little cold. My knees.
My fucking back is hurting.
Your back? Yeah, mine is good because I got this backrest. It just helps you out. They behind us, you mean? The police where? Oh yeah? Damn, one of y'all got some bright ass lights on y'all shit. Y'all got LEDs on those? Yeah. All y'all got LEDs, huh? You guys look pretty cool with those LED lights, huh? Who got the hood light? You got a hood light too? Okay, I see you. And the hand guards? Okay. And the AR lights? Okay, I see y'all out there living the big boy life and shit, you know what I'm saying? I wish I could be like y'all, you know what I'm saying? Grow up and be like y'all when I get older. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, motherfuckers? Huh, you father fuckers? Hey, motherfuckers, you're father fuckers. Father fucker, father fucker. Nah. Alright guys, so I guess this is it for the ride. I guess I'll check you guys next time. I'll see you at work, Andrew. Oh, this ain't even it. Keep going. I thought this was 54. When we hit 54, I'm gone. Why are you going so slow, stupid ass? Speed. The gas pedal's on the right. I said, once we hit 54, I'm just gonna take off and head home.
Who's who's talking?
I'm Cameron, it's Cameron.
Oh, okay, yeah, no, we're going to the same spot.
Oh, so you better keep up.